In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Customize button on Google Chrome, enable customization. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded and you are on the main Chrome window. After Chrome is open, look for the Customize Chrome option. This is the area that gives you access to personalization and layout settings inside the browser. In many cases, you can find it from the Chrome interface on the New tab page or through the visible customization area in the browser window. Click on Customize Chrome to open the available settings. Once that panel opens, select Toolbar. This is the section where Chrome lets you manage what appears in your browser interface and how certain buttons and tools are shown. By going into the Toolbar section, you can enable the customization options that control the Customize button and related browser features. It is also a good idea to make sure your Chrome browser is updated, because some customization features may look slightly different depending on the version you are using. The layout can vary a little, but the general process stays the same. Open Chrome, click Customize Chrome, and then go to Toolbar. That covers everything you need to know.